Hello guys, now today we are going to study the next chapter, chapter number 51, Management Colleges in India. So first in this chapter we are going to study the management colleges. So let's see what do you mean by the management. Management includes setting the strategy of an organization and coordinating the efforts of its employees to accomplish its objectives through the application of available resources such as financial, natural, technological and human resources. Let's see the list of some reputed government management colleges in India. So number first college is Indian Institute of Management Ahmedabad, IIMA. Institute of Management Bangalore, IIMB. Indian Institute of Management Kolkata, IIMC. Indian Institute of Management Lucknow, IIML. Indian Institute of Management Indore, IIMI. Indian Institute of Management Kozhikode. Indian Management Development Institute, Gurgaon. Faculty of Management Studies, Delhi University, New Delhi. Jamunalal Bajaj Institute, Mumbai. Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, New Delhi. So these are the top 10 reputed government management colleges in India. So these are in Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Kolkata, Lucknow, Indore, Kozhikode, Gurugram, Delhi and Mumbai and New Delhi. Okay, so please remember, please learn the top 10 colleges, government colleges, management colleges of India. Okay, so this much you have to learn in this chapter. Next is chapter number 52. In this chapter, you will learn about the top 10 medical colleges in India. Okay, see the list of the medical colleges of India here. So you know that medical includes, like many of us aspire to be doctors or medical professionals. So after completing school in the science stream, we can apply for medical training or medical degree in government or private run colleges. Okay, so here are the list of the some famous government medical colleges in India. Number first, All India Institute of Medical Science, New Delhi. King George Medical University, Lucknow. Institute of Medical Sciences, Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi. Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research, Puducherry. University College of Medical Science, University of Delhi. Maulana Azad Medical College, New Delhi. Armed Forces Medical College, Pune. Lady Hardinge Medical College, New Delhi. Government Medical College and Hospital, Chandigarh. Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College, Aligarh Muslim University, Aligarh. So these are the top 10 government medical colleges in India. So and in third you have to learn about the engineering colleges in India. Okay, so engineering is the most sought after career in India. Most students aspire to become an engineer. Engineering is expected to be a growth sector in the coming decades and it is considered to be a top career. Okay, so let's see what are the some famous government engineering colleges in India. So first is Indian Institute of Technology, Chennai. Indian Institute of Technology, Mumbai. Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur. Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee. Indian Institute of Technology, Guwahati. Anna University, Chennai. Jadavpur University, Kolkata. Indian Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. So these are the top 10 government engineering colleges in India. Understood? So today we have studied about the three chapters, top 10 management colleges, top 10 medical colleges and top 10 government engineering colleges in India. So please learn all the three top 10 medical, engineering and management colleges in India. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.